The 2019 Toyota Avalon has a fresh look and feel for a new year. It's longer and lower than previous generations, and thanks to the new 3.5-liter V6 engine under the hood, the Avalon now offers more power and less fuel consumption than before. A 9-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay compatibility is standard on all models. Same goes for advanced safety features including adaptive cruise control, active lane control, blind spot monitors, and forward collision warnings with automatic emergency braking. Inside, the 2019 Avalon is spacious and refined. The back seat is equipped with air vents, 2 USB ports, and available heated seats. Up front, the seats are supportive and power adjustable. The XSE model, seen here, also features steering wheel mounted paddle shifters, which gives drivers quick access to gear selection. The Avalon's trunk opens to fit more than 453 liters of cargo, and it's even wide enough to fit your golf bags. Want to see the all-new redesigned 2019 Avalon for yourself? Drop by Mayfield Toyota today. Find us on the corner of Stony Plain Road and 170th Street on the west end of Edmonton, or shop online at mayfieldtoyota.com.